Hey, this is Chris with WP Affiliate Suite, and in this video I want to take you into the members area of this product and show you exactly what you get when you purchase. Now, right after you purchase WP Affiliate Suite, you're going to get an email. You want to be sure to look for that, whether it's in your inbox or your spam folder, because it's going to have the details for you to log into your account and where to get your username and password. Now, once you log in, this is what you're going to see. You want to be sure to watch this welcome video. It has some very important information you want to watch. And let's go up here to the training, where I want to show you what you get in this course, and that is the affiliate training and the WordPress training. And you'll also be getting my affiliate marketing WordPress theme. So under the affiliate training and the WordPress training, there's a series of videos under both. So under affiliate marketing, you're going to learn about affiliate marketing. You're going to see proof of some of the results that I've had. You're going to learn how we make money as affiliates. You're going to learn about launch jacking, affiliate networks, how to join them, and two very important videos such as researching niches and products and choosing the right keywords, which are going to be critical to your success with online affiliate marketing. Under the WordPress training, we have a lot more videos, and I'm adding some others as well. It's going to go over the basics of WordPress hosting and how it can affect your rankings in Google, as well as picking a domain name, putting it together, installing WordPress through cPanel. You're going to learn about the WordPress plugins that are installed on this theme, how to customize it, how to edit it and make it your own. And I'm also going to teach you how to write the articles and the reviews so they rank in Google. And then you're going to see the results that I got from doing this step by step in this series. You're going to learn how to cloak affiliate links, change and update the banners and the ads on the site, and how to get your posts indexed really fast in Google, as well as adding analytics to your site. And there's a quick checklist PDF document here you can look at just to break it down so you don't have to constantly go through each one of these videos. Now, under the training, there's also two other sections. These are optional upsells you can purchase. One is on advanced SEO training, so if you want to rank for more competitive keywords, you want to be sure to check out this upsell. And then this is a very unique strategy that I've been using for a couple years. I was leery about whether I wanted to even add this or not. There's very few people who does this, and it can make a huge difference to your income with affiliate marketing. One of the other upsells is the theme bundles. So if you want to buy all of the done for you themes in our shop at once, you can do that, and those will be accessible here. Now, in the done for you shop, if you don't buy all the bundles up front, you can come in this shop anytime and buy any of these for just $15 each. And these are niche based WordPress themes that are fully loaded and ready to go. They have their own custom logos, they have professional photos on them, they have articles on them, social integration, they have newsletter forms integration, and a whole lot more. And so basically you're just going to come through here and you're going to find one that looks interesting to you that you want to build a site on. You would purchase it, download it, upload it to your site, and you would have a site ready to go. And then you'll follow the WordPress training to learn how to customize that theme to make it your own, and then start adding your own content to grow that site so it's going to start ranking in Google for the affiliate products and services that you're going to be promoting. So this is WP Affiliate Suite. It's an amazing course for affiliate marketers, for complete beginners who's never done anything like this before. You're going to learn step by step how to build out a website from scratch using the theme that I give you, and how to rank your products in Google for getting traffic and earning on affiliate commissions. With that said, I hope to see you guys in the members area and in the Facebook group very soon.